There's the headliner, since that needs to be next. I'm reading all the instructions and I need your help. So please watch this video. Let me know if you can help me do the headliner, because I'm having trouble on the part. So stay tuned. Welcome to this episode of Wide Open Throttle Garage. I forgot my stand for my camera, so it's all going to be first person today. Okay, so everything is looking awesome. Here's a clip from me coming right after, the next day after it's drying. I've been working on it a little. Alright guys, everything is looking slick. It's looking really good. Loving the shine and the sheen. It's hard to see, but it's awesome. There's a little dust. It was windy that day, so some of the spots have a little bit of sand in them. Got a run right here, but the license plate will hide it. These are pretty good. Not many runs around the ring there that I had problems with before. All the pieces, front and back, are done, and I've been getting rid of all the tape inside on the doorways. I worked on doing some painting and stuff inside already. I haven't really filmed, so I can work on getting the headliner in. Been trying to get that done, so I get headliner done. And then I did get the hood mounted and lined up pretty close by myself. So last time I didn't tighten it up and I had crazy gouges here and along. But now it's not there. Been removing all that tape around there, around the doors, all the windows, all the inside stuff. Tape is gone. So this side I got sanded down. I need to finish painting on this side. But that door is pretty much done for what you're going to see. So overall, looking good. $50 paint job. Looking good for what it is, and it will definitely work for protection and water durability and helping this last a bit longer, and looking good for my mom. Okay, we're inside the car. I've been working on getting more pieces and stuff of headliner out, but this is where I'm having trouble. So this liner here, how do you get it out? I don't know how to get it out. I don't want to cut it all out, but I have to put this piece from here all the way down to the bottom on first. That has to go on first before the headliner piece goes in. And I think I understand the concept of this, where the headliner gets tucked up into here. And it has the rods that go across the ceiling. I think I understand all that. And then I have to spray glue down all over this. Spray glue. Industrial 3M. So that is the part I'm having trouble with. So you Volkswagen guys, what am I supposed to do to get that off? Because they really need to start the headliner like tomorrow morning. And we'll see what response I get from you guys. So yeah, both sides need that removed. Both sides need it reinstalled. And then I can get the headliner rocking and rolling. So I can get the windows in. Get it tucked into the windows and go from there. So EMPI, however you say it. A lot of people recommended their stuff. That is pretty good. It does say it's not It's not an exact OEM replacement, which is fine. Something about being one less a bar, which are these bars that I saved because I knew I'd use them again for the headliner. So I have the bars, I have spray stuff. I need to figure out how to get those uninstalled so I can get them reinstalled. And I got everything kind of laying out because I had some wrinkle spots from shipping. So I kind of want to get it aired out, let it sit. I don't know if it'll help de-wrinkleize it or whatever word that is. But the instructions seem pretty good. You definitely have to remove the windows as it says. Take off all the stuff and then use spray adhesive and then cut stuff and pull stuff and stretch stuff and weave stuff and tuck stuff. But I don't understand it all. So if you know, like I said, help a brother out. How to get those out of the side of that one and put those inside. That's what I want to do. Sorry for the delay. I'm going to show you what I've been working on this past week besides the Volkswagen. Let's flip you around and show you. Alright guys, here's what I'm working on. As you can see, it's been a lot of work. Stem wall concrete footers. I've been sealing this wall today. Over there, that dirt, you see that? Oh yeah, garage. That whole wall there, garage wall. That wall there, garage wall. So there is the garage. New shop, right here, connected onto the house. So yep, that is what I've been doing. Alright guys, there you have it. If you know how to help me on the Volkswagen, or you want to come build a house for free, hit me up, I'll let you know, and you come do it for me. It'd be great. But yeah, I've been super busy with these things. Hopefully you're patient with me. This is a big project I've been working on and getting ready for the past year, and it's finally happening now. And not a better time, so I can get that old garage right there. Yeah, it's a garage right there. So we get it all set up. 80-gallon air compressor. We're pouring the floors thicker for lifts. You know, some good stuff coming for the garage. So I'll definitely take you along with my garage build, and I'll keep you updated on the house stuff if you want. But make sure you like and subscribe. Follow along with more to come. Got a few things coming up that I'll share hopefully next day or two, and drop a couple of quick videos for you guys. So things are looking up. Been super busy. Hope you're patient with me. But again, I need that help on the Volkswagen. So let me know if you know how to do it, or what I'm missing to make it work. Thanks. Till next time.